Bonanza.
San Diego Zoo have a great day.
Hey baby. Hello. Hello. Excuse us. What's this one's name anyway?
Aa bir de bakacak file, bu da bak. Bak böyle bak.
And I am a San Diego native. I grew up coming to this zoo every single year as a kid.
Want to see the elephant? What you did last?
He's a foot and a half long, which you'll find out once you feed a giraffe today if you go do that. They're also dark in color.
What's that big black thing?
We're gonna go look and read the
What's
sign.
that big black thing?
Tapers, yeah, they are tapers. Did you know that?
And they are also part of our endangered species breeding.
We should open the zoo at night. Yeah, that would be interesting. Like low-level lights.
Stand up. They're guanacos. We saw these earlier. You can stand up on there now. It's okay. No, you can stand up on there too.
That is a little like deer. Dwarf market.
Yeah.
Guys, look at good walk.
Tell us just some of the animals that you met here in our show.
You get a chance to go to the Wild Animal Park down in Green. Program benefits that I just told you.
This is an animal that Legend states. If you see one here, and we're going to ask Hyro to perform a quick little flight for us. When he's up, he should remain seated. This is Hyro of Lieutenant Hall. Good job, Hyro. Very
Oh yeah, otters came on the back and
Come on out.
It's over there. Come on, it's over there. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
That's him. That black rock is him. Bella, their bottoms look like a zebra. Caribbean. What do you think he said?
those are two over there. Did you know that, guys?